Look at this section here. The quality seems high.
Yes, let's proceed with this one.
Cuidado con el paso. Aguanta, aguanta. Listo, vamos.
This one is perfect, mark it blue.
I'll move this damaged one to the reject pile.
Alright, the shipment is here. Start unloading the banana stems at Bay 3.
Roger that. Make sure the quality check is done before processing.
Reading 12.5%
Recorded.
and 11.9 here.
Got it!
Careful with the fibers.
Clear to the cart.
The alignment on station 4 seems slightly off.
I'll recalibrate it immediately.
Thanks.
Ensure batch 4B is rotated evenly.
Already done. Checking the moisture now.
Ensure the thickness is consistent for the silk grade. This batch looks very promising. Keep up the good work.
Batch number 45B, quality grade A. It matches the manifest here.
Confirmed on the tracking database. Go ahead and accept the goods.
freeze-dried fiber undergoes mechanical softening treatment in specialized beating equipment that gently impacts the fiber.
The conditioned fiber accumulates in collection bins, undergoing a rest period, allowing the absorbed conditioning oils to fully... The conditioned fiber accumulates in collection bins, undergoing a rest period, allowing the absorbed conditioning oils to fully...
The luster on this batch is excellent.
Agreed. Handle it gently for the bundles.
Improved conditioned fiber feeds into the carding machine, a large mechanical system featuring rotating drums covered with fine wire teeth.
Approved roving bobbins are loaded onto ring spinning frames, the primary yarn production equipment, where final drafting and twist insertion converts roving into finished yarn.
The banana stem to fine quality silk yarn formation press converts parallel fibers rapidly.
The ring frame produces continuous yarn output, with finished yarn winding onto cylindrical packages that grow.
Quality inspectors examine conditioned yarn by unwinding samples from packages and performing visual.
Make sure the tension is uniform on this side.
Yes, I'm checking the alignment through the reed.
The sizing machine draws warp yarns from the supply beam through a bath of sizing solution containing protective polymers that will coat each yarn surface. Our loom operation incorporates automated weft insertion systems using rapier mechanisms that carry weft yarn across the loom width.
Completed fabric from both hand and power looms accumulates in the gray goods warehouse, awaiting subsequent finishing processes that will... blended fabric advances to the finishing department, where the gray goods will undergo scouring to remove sizing chemicals and weaving contaminants.
The banana silk hand feels consistent here.
Yes, color uniformity is perfect. We can certify this batch.
Scoured fabric undergoes bleaching treatment in controlled chemical baths that lighten the natural fiber color, cartons receive final labeling with barcoded identification tags that enable automated tracking throughout distribution channels.
Is the bill of lading ready for the Ghana shipment?
Yes, applying it now.
Evaluating banana stem to fine quality silk fabric at multiple processing stages, ensuring consistent quality throughout production operations.
Abrasion resistance testing subjection using specialized
Dimensional stability testing evaluates fab shrinkage tendency by measuring changes in
Approved fabric batches receive quality approval stamps and electronic database entries that release materials for shipment.
As you can see, the defect rate spiked right here.
Yes, but the variation correlates with the new batch of raw fiber.
That explains it. We adjusted the steaming parameters that week.
Practical packaging serves functional protection requirements while minimizing packaging costs appropriate for price-sensitive market segments.
Scan complete on the banana stem and the silk.
Okay, the manifest matches the system confirmation. Looks good, seal it up.
The banana silk offers unique texture and sustainable sourcing, truly setting it apart.
It's beautiful. I'm thinking high-end resin.
The artisanal processing is extensive, which justifies the premium quality.
It feels wonderful. What about the care requirements?
It's surprisingly easy to maintain.
Yeah.